A very good morning to one and all. It's my privilege to welcome you all to this historic University College of Arts and Social Sciences, popularly known as Arts College. Designed by Belgium architect Jasper as a blend of Indo-Sassanic architecture, Arts College has a long history of more than 100 years. It had not only remained as a center of academic and social environment and historical movements, but attained intellectual synthesis, catering to the needs of various streams of students and scholars. We know that today the global economy, polity, and technology are converging to make ourselves progressive, prosperous, and privileged. These mega trends are not only transformative, but also redefining the global forces that reshape the future world with their far reaching impacts on education, business, society, economy, culture, and personal lives. It is vital for individuals, institutions of learning, and organizations to understand, appraise, and appreciate the forces driving the future, along with the process in which we can find a role for ourselves to participate and to contribute. This will allow us to create a rich pipeline of opportunities for the growth of individual society and nation. It is significant to note that India has a prominent place on the globe and is surging ahead in key areas of academics, artificial intelligence, healthcare, economy, global trade, and a pioneering contribution to climate change and protection of the environment. In this context, we are very fortunate to have with us today our esteemed guest, a diligent, magnetic, and magnificent personality, Dr. Deepak Ora, former ambassador and special advisor to the Prime Minister, Lesotho and Guinea-Bissau, and to Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council, Kargil and Leh. Sir is going to speak on the topic Global Mega Convergence, Our World at 2025. On this occasion, we are also happy to welcome our principal and vice principal ma'am, also all the HODs, chairpersons, board of studies, students and scholars. Now, I request Dr. C.S. Swati ma'am to present bouquet to our honorable speaker and ambassador, sir.
Sir, please look there, sir. Nice photo. Okay. Finish? One photo, one book.
Thank you, Swati ma'am. Thank you very much, sir. We are really honored by your presence, sir, inspiring presence. Now I request Dr. P. Swati, HOD Department of Psychology, to introduce our esteemed guest and honorable speaker.
Good morning to everyone. I feel privileged to introduce our speaker, our esteemed speaker, to the audience. In fact, the CV reflects that he is a multifaceted, multi-talented person. And if we have to read out the CV, I think that itself will become a session. So in brief, I would like to say a few words. As already Dr. Lavanya has mentioned, Dr. Deepak Ora is a special advisor to the Prime Minister, Lesotho and Guinea, and to Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council, Kargil and Leh. In fact, before Sir has joined to the IFS, Indian Foreign Service, he also served very briefly as a teacher, as a faculty in one of the colleges, prestigious colleges. In fact, if we have seen the excellent academic record, he was the first in school, first in the IFS, whatever the exams that have been conducted, first in the training programs also. And in fact, he was named as one of the most sensational personalities in India by a women's magazine. And he has acted in commercial films too. So not only the academician, not only the good administrator, but he was also a good actor. In fact, he served in France, Vietnam, United States, Nigeria, and many other countries, and as ambassador of India to Georgia, Sudan, South Sudan, Poland, and many more other countries. He has spent 4 years with Sulabh International, the world's largest NGO, dealing with sanitation, and he is the author of best-selling books. In fact, like in 2005, Armenia awarded him a gold medal and named a school after him. And Sudan gave him its highest civilian honor, and in 2006, he was made Prince of an African tribe. He has vast international experience, having represented India at several conferences. In 2007, I don't know how many of you remember this incident, when Indian oil workers were kidnapped in Sudan. As ambassador, Dr. Deepak Ora offered himself in exchange for the hostages. National and international leaders who interacted with him generally appreciate his transparent sincerity and integrity. He tries to claim himself that I am the storm. Okay? He is an advisor and mentor to universities and companies in India and lectures regularly to national and international audiences. In fact, over 5 million have heard him so far on global megatrends and trust. So now we are privileged to hear him. He has been an advisor to a number of countries. So the list goes on like this. I think definitely by looking at this introduction, we can expect a lot from him. Let us get the inputs, let us develop our insight into the concept. Thank you, sir.